Namaskar friends, a very warm namaskar from all the cells of my heart to your heart. Today is World Heart Day and I couldn't stop myself missing Dr. Naram sir. I am Dr. Pranita Shah, disciple of the legendary master Dr. Pankaj Naram sir, and today I'll tell you some of the secrets that Naram sir has left us with for managing a family member in time of crisis. When you think that your family member has a heart attack, what can we do? First of all, what is an heart attack? When there is a blockage in the heart, the blood circulation towards the tissues around that blockage, it is not sufficient, and that is why the cells start to die. And because of that dying process, the patient has a severe pain in the chest. What are the typical symptoms of an heart attack? So, typical symptoms is like you feel as if an elephant has kept his feet on the chest. You have a radiating pain on your left arm. You have profuse sweating so much that your handkerchief can actually start dripping with your sweat. These are the typical ones, but these are too late. These signs are very late. The atypical signs which you may miss are like the patient has nausea again and again. The patient will say that I'm feeling very constipated, I'm not feeling good, I'm feeling very gassy in my stomach. There will be a complaint also that he has pain in his calf muscles. It's a very common symptom in many things, but it is also seen just before the heart attack. So pain in the calf muscles, pain in the jaw line, on the neck, also pain at the back. It's a not a common sign, but yes, many of the patients that I've seen, they have said that in their history of heart attack they had pain in the back. So if you or your family member has taken painkillers for that particular dull aching pain and still it is not going down, it is increasing, it is better that you visit a hospital and get an ECG done. But if your is at home, he's sweating, he's not feeling good, you think it's necessary to just rush to the hospital. So while you're waiting for your vehicle to get ready, while you're waiting for your ambulance to come and take your family member to the hospital, you can do this very simple thing at home. Take 1 petal crushed garlic, half teaspoon of ajwain or wild celery seeds or carom seeds, a little bit of jaggery, roll it together and give it to the patient to eat. Now what does this do? The patient, when he has a heart attack, he feels very full in the chest. So this combination will help him relieve the gases, the obstructed vayu inside, that will be relieved, and the patient will feel relieved at least for that moment. So every 15 minutes till the patient is able to pass the gases, you give this combination again and again till your vehicle gets ready. Now why I am saying this? Dr. Naram sir, when he was in Italy, he was with Dr. Giovanni and he had a heart attack, almost like a heart attack. So what did Naram sir do? Of course, he had called up the emergency number, but obviously we can't see the person dying in front of us. He had to do something. So he gave this remedy. And after 3-4 combinations, after 3-4 quantities of that combination, Dr. Giovanni passed his gases and he felt better. He felt relieved. And also he had some dry ginger powder at his home, and what he did was you rub the dry ginger powder on the soles of the hands and soles of the feet of the patient. This will help to improve the circulation towards the extremities. When a person has heart attack, usually his hands and feet, they go cold. So rubbing the dry ginger powder will help the patient stay as conscious as possible. I remember all this because Dr. Naram sir himself had told us all this. And of course, one more mudra that you can do, one more marma that you can do to help you pass those gases and get that vayu in a proper state. Take your left hand, put your finger over here, your right thumb on the palm, close the thumb, take your thumb upright and all the fingers of the right hand like this. So you press this thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Many of you, even while doing this marma, if you have gases stuck somewhere in the chest, you will suddenly have a burp. Left hand, right thumb, close it, bring it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And don't panic. You call your ambulance, you call your healthcare facility, go visit. But while you're going to visit, you do have this garlic, ajwain and jaggery combination. Rub the soles of the feet and hands with dry ginger powder and try to talk to the patient and keep him open. The patient may feel nauseated, he will start vomiting. Try to fan him as much as possible. Friends, heart is something that beats from birth to death. It represents life. And also it is a seat of emotions. So if any of you has a feeling that you may have a heart attack, don't doubt, just get an ECG done. If the ECG turns out normal, you need to work on your digestive system. Many patients with chronic acidity, they always have this feeling as if they are going to have an heart attack. They always keep having that feeling. So you need to work on your chronic acidity also. But for that, we will choose some other time, some other video. But still, make sure that you work on your digestive system, because it is the digestive system, that a hampered digestive system, that creates the toxins, and that is why the inflammatory changes happen in the heart vessels and the plaques start forming and the clots start forming. So make sure that the digestion is very good. Obese or thin doesn't matter. Heart attack affects all. So the digestive system has to be maintained by everyone irrespective of your height and weight. Love you all from the bottom of my heart. Namaskar.